Where AI is really taking and making a difference, moving from paper to digital, is around the reporting, but also the diving through your reporting capabilities. I'll give you an example. The example is this: when you're on a production line, you're constantly monitoring, monitoring temperatures, you're monitoring throughput, and at the end of the day, you're taking all of that paper, you're binding it together, and you're putting it into a filing cabinet, because you have to be SQF or BRC compliant, you have to be FSMA compliant, so you have all of these things that you have to make sure that you can produce the documentation from. And that's great if you've got that going, and you can go to your cabinet, you can pull it out. But what you're losing is you're losing the ability to say, what's really happening on my production line? Where are my actual failures? What are my temperature averages across the board? Do I have an oven that may be having an issue? This is where your AI component's going to come in and say, hey, you're not getting the temperatures you need in your oven. You better do a preventative maintenance on that particular piece of machinery.